Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro. So in the first step, let's open the Google Photos app. Now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Then click on this small Google Lens icon and whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar the same objects in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area to look for something more specific. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.